Regrets. Regrets are the roads not traveled. Wise man's wise words. Me being me, started dreaming of all the places that I still had to travel, which was driving me crazy. Hi, I'm Sagar, a guy who takes a metaphor literally. Made plans to travel the vastness of India and its neighboring countries. Through my journey of 2.5 months, I discovered why India is so incredible. Magnificence of Myanmar, travel-friendly Thailand, and serenity of Bhutan. Maybe this is what the wise man meant. To live is to not have regrets. But hey, everybody can dance until someone comes along.